If you want to move your WordPress website from Localhost to Hostinger without losing your content, settings, or design, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method using the all-in-one WP migration plugin. This is one of the easiest ways to transfer your local WordPress site to a live Hostinger hosting account, even if you are not very technical. Before we begin, make sure your Localhost site is fully working and that you have access to your Hostinger dashboard. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because we post more easy WordPress tutorials just like this. Let's start with the Localhost site first. Open your WordPress dashboard on your local machine. This is the site you have been building on your computer. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type All-in-One WP Migration. Install the plugin and then activate it. After the plugin is activated, look at the left-hand menu in your WordPress dashboard. You should now see All-in-One WP Migration. Click on it and then choose Export. This is the step that creates a copy of your entire website so you can move it to Hostinger. On the export page, click Export To and then choose File. The plugin will begin preparing your website backup. This may take a few moments depending on how large your site is. It will package your posts, pages, media, themes, plugins, and database into one export file. Once the file is ready, click Download to save it to your computer. Make sure you keep this file somewhere easy to find because you will need it in the next part of the process. This file is basically your website in one portable package. Now let's move over to Hostinger. Open your Hostinger dashboard and go to Websites, then click Dashboard for the website where you want to install WordPress. If you have not created the site yet, you can first set up a new website inside Hostinger and then continue. Next, install a fresh WordPress site on Hostinger. Hostinger makes this part very simple from the control panel. Once the WordPress installation is complete, log into your new WordPress dashboard. This is where you will import the site from your local machine. Just like before, install the same plugin on this new Hostinger WordPress site. Go to Plugins, click Add New, search for All-in-One WP Migration, then install and activate it. It is very important that you use the same plugin on both sites because that is what makes the transfer smooth and easy. Now open the plugin and go to Import. Click Import From and then choose File. Select the export file that you downloaded from your local website. The upload will begin, and depending on the file size and your internet speed, it may take some time to finish. When the upload completes, the plugin will warn you that importing will overwrite the current contents of the new WordPress site. Since this is a fresh installation, that is exactly what we want. Click Proceed to continue. The plugin will then restore your local website into your Hostinger WordPress installation. After the import is finished, you may be asked to resave your permalinks or log in again. This is normal. Go through the prompts, and once everything is complete, check your website on Hostinger to make sure your pages, images, posts, and design all transferred correctly. If something looks off, refresh the dashboard and double-check that the import completed fully. In most cases, the entire site should appear exactly as it did on Localhost, only now it is live on Hostinger. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your WordPress website from Localhost to Hostinger using a simple free plugin. This method is great for beginners because it avoids complicated manual database work and reduces the chance of errors. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.